there. It's going to be another nasty one. The allergy season is going to hit us in full force today. Look out, all you sufferers. The pollen count is going to be a whopping 1750. The smog index is going to be at 195. The winds from the west will be blowing in dust from the canyon, so if you plan on breathing today, you better take a gas mask with you. Now for the traffic. The congestion on I-72 is breaking up and traffic is moving freely again. In the downtown area, we have...
Seldane D provides multi-symptom control of seasonal allergic rhinitis complicated by nasal congestion and lets your patient stay alert. Seldane D, the only non-sedating antihistamine decongestant combination.